Big news for employees joining in the UAE workforce in 2025. A new health insurance package will apply to workers starting from 1st of Jan 2025. Let's dive into the details, including features, benefits, and how to apply. Before that, subscribe my channel now if you have not yet subscribed. The new health insurance package is designed for the employees joining in the UAE workforce from January 1st, 2025, offering comprehensive and affordable coverage. The key features include coverage for private sector and domestic workers, ensuring inclusivity. The second feature is affordable price of AED 320 per year, making it one of the most cost-effective options. The third one is employer can benefit too. It reduces financial burden for providing health insurance. The fourth point, the plan is valid for 2 years and the premium for second year can be refunded if the employee's visa is cancelled. The fifth one, dependents of the worker family can access the same benefits and pricing extended healthcare coverage to loved ones. So let's check the eligibility. Who is eligible? It's important to note that this plan is only applicable to employees who join the UAE workforce on or after 1st 2025. Existing employees will not be eligible under this package. Benefits for employees and employer. For employees, you gain affordable and comprehensive healthcare access. For employers, it helps reduce cost while ensuring compliances with UAE labor laws. How to apply? Applying for this insurance is quick and simple. Visit the official website. The second one is just call as per the mentioned number for the assistance. For just AED 320 per year, you can secure your health insurance for yourself and your dependent. So this package is a major step forward in ensuring affordable and inclusive healthcare for employees and their families. If you are joining in the UAE workforce in 2025, this is your chance to enjoy exceptional healthcare benefits. Keep in your mind the insurance is mandatory in UAE. So if your employer has not provided the insurance, please go and check with the employer for the insurance.